Guys, I got a full house this morning. It's time to make breakfast. We're doing a buffet and we're doing it on the flat grill. So we're gonna start with the potatoes, boil them in a little water. We'll get some peppers and onions all chopped up. Those will be the first thing down. Right on the grill, do a little bit of oil, some salt, pepper, and garlic. We're going low and slow. I got some classic pork links, some chicken and apple sausage, and some smoked bacon. Everything goes down at once. I also got this killer ham steak, and I got some ribeye steak as well. We're doing hash with that. Potatoes look ready. Time to go down. Mix them around, little salt, pepper, garlic. We're good to go. Let's make the French toast pull-aparts. Start with a couple of eggs. I'm gonna hit that with a little bit of vanilla. I got some cinnamon. I got a little bit of half and half. Just give that a good stir. Get out your Texas toast and let's chop it up. I just go 2 cuts both ways, make 9 pieces per slice. Coat those all really well. Let them soak up all that egg. Throw them down on the grill. Just kind of flatten them out, but don't let them separate. We want to keep them all together. We're almost ready. Time to cook some eggs. I actually broke one, but that's okay. Flip that over. Eggs look good. We're ready. Look at this. It's time to sit down and enjoy. I got those pull-aparts, the hash, killer bacon, these chicken and apple sausages. Man, I want to just get right in there and enjoy. Gotta start with the French toast pull-aparts. I don't even have a fork. You'll go on fingers with the steak hash. I must be starving. Chicken sausage, chicken and apple. It smells so good. Wow. Yeah. Wow. All so good. Wow. It's all so good. What a treat. Thanks for joining me, guys. Cheers.